So good day everyone, good day to you sir. This time I'm going to tackle about Special Action Force or SAF in Philippine National Police or PNP. So what is SAF? The SAF is a highly trained and specialized unit that is responsible for carrying out high-risk operations such as counterterrorism, hostage rescue, and law enforcement challenging environments. The SAF was established in 1983 and has since played a crucial role in maintaining peace and order in the Philippines. They undergo rigorous training to develop their skills in marksmanship, close quarter combat, and tactical operations. The SAF has been involved in various operations, including the capture of high-profile criminals, the rescue of hostages, and neutralization to terrorist threats. They have proven themselves to be a reliable and effective force in maintaining the safety and the security of the Filipino people. How cost salary of SAF member? Salary of member of the Special Action Force or SAF in the Philippine National Police varies depending on their rank and years of service. Generally, their PNP follows a salary scale based on the rank and position of its personnel. As of 2021, the basic monthly salary of the Police Officer 1 or what we call PO1 in the PNP is an around 29,668 Philippine peso. This amount increases as an individual progresses in rank and years of service. It is important to note that the salary may also be affected by various factors such as allowances, benefits, and additional compensation for hazardous duty, overtime, and other special assignment. As we can see, this is the 2021 salary rate in the PNP. So let's move to the purpose. So the purpose of Special Action Force job in the Philippine National Police is to ensure the safety and security of the Filipino people. The SAF is a highly trained and specialized unit that is tasked for carrying out high-risk operations such as counterterrorism, hostage rescue, and law enforcement in challenging environments. The SAF plays a crucial role in maintaining peace and order in the country by responding to and resolving critical situations that pose a threat to public safety. They are trained to handle complex and dangerous operations with precision and efficiency. Additionally, the SAF also support other law enforcement agencies in maintaining peace and order, providing assistance during major events, and conducting specialized training for police personnel. In a nutshell, the purpose of the SAF job is to protect and serve the people in the Philippines by undertaking specialized operation that required a higher level of training skills and expertise. So what was the requirements to apply this job in PNP as a Special Action Force or SAF? First, being a natural-born Filipino citizen. Second, being a good moral character. 3. Having a height of at least 5 feet and 6 inches for males and 5 feet and 4 inches for females. 4. Having a weight and proportionate to height. 5. Being at least 21 years old but not more than 30 years old upon admission. 6. Having a baccalaureate degree from recognition institution. 7. Passing the physical agility test, medical examination, and neuropsychiatric examination. 8. Passing the background investigation and drug test. 9. Passing the panel interview. 10. Passing the Special Action Force training course. And that's all. Thank you.